Hello, welcome to today's video. We are going to calibrate the offset together in this video using the special Hyrel application. You can find the link in the description below. You can see the presence of two print heads mounted on the printer. You can add more print heads as desired. The distance between the two adjacent heads is 35 mm, but an error rate may be present sometimes. We will calibrate the printer to use the Zebra print feature. An Android phone must be used to use the application. A QR code is provided on the screen to go directly to Hyrel Wiki. All you have to do is open the phone's camera and point it to the QR code. You will see the pop-out box appear. All you have to do is click on it and you can download the program directly. Visit the Hyrel website and then choose instruction from the side menu. The browser will take you to the Hyrel Wiki, which contains many details about 3D printing and Hyrel that you can benefit from for free. Keep scrolling until you reach the intermediate printing section. You will find a PhoneBuddy app link. Long press on it and open it using a hidden browser if you are using Chrome browser. Download and run the application. Sometimes the link may not work directly. You can use another browser to download it. We will install the phone now. You must make sure that the front camera is not covered and the phone is not moving. You can use a tape to make sure of that. You will see crossed red lines on the screen of your phone. Align the print head nozzle and use the point of intersection of the red lines as your center. It is best to start with the left head first. You can use the precise movement by activating the Fine Move button. Now you must zero the red numbers shown on the screen by clicking on them. After aligning the head, use the grab button in Offset's print head menu to post the coordinates. Right-click to flash and save head settings. Then we can go directly to the second head and repeat the process. In case of removing printing head, you need to calibrate the print head again each time. Don't forget that there is a small percentage of error. Repeat the calibration again until you reach the perfect result. Always remember, keep it 3D.